So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to draw something with me? Yeah, today you and I are gonna draw an alligator. I know this is an alligator and not a crocodile stuffed animal because of its snout. Do you see how rounded it is? Yeah, alligators have rounded snouts. If this is a crocodile, it would come up to a point and back down. So today, you and I are gonna draw an alligator. Okay, here you go, buddy. You can stay right there. Okay, I'm gonna take the color green and start with its snout. So remember, let's draw a sideways U. Yeah, nice and soft edges. There we go. Now let's go back right here. Whoa, for the bottom of the mouth. Whoa, perfect. And now for a spot for the eye on top of its head right there. And now I'm gonna go all the way back. But do you see how I'm not drawing a straight line? I'm kind of doing it jagged. Ooh, there you go. Yeah, because its body, has scales and skin. There we go. Yeah, and that is its tail. Check this out. Whoa, now we need to loop all the way around. Whoa, there we go. Whoa, perfect. It's looking pretty good, but what's on its body right here? Yeah, legs. Whoa, cute legs. There we go. Whoa, and then two back here. Whoop, whoop. Yeah! And now for the eye, let's draw a circle and color it in, okay? Just like that. Whoa! What is this alligator missing in its mouth? Ah, yeah! Sharp teeth! Whoa! I always am very careful and stay a safe distance whenever I see an alligator. Yeah, they're pretty dangerous, but they're also really cool creatures to look at from afar. Okay, let's draw some teeth right here. Whoa, so cool. There we go. Whoa, what sharp teeth it has. Oh, and let's get a nostril right up front, right there, so then it can smell. Wow, that was so much fun drawing an alligator with you. And remember how to tell the difference between an alligator and a crocodile. An alligator has a nice rounded snout, but a crocodile has a nice pointed snout. Whoa, that was so much fun drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!